Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold uh, for the 15th of May 2025. So we started with the Forex Factory. So it's quite a busy day in terms of heavy impact news. We got heavy impact news on AUD as well and USD and GBP as well. So we're mainly interested in USD because we trade in gold. As you can see, that there are quite a few heavy, but sorry, there's some issues with the screen. Yeah, as you can see that here uh, at 1:30, all these done as UK time. So we got core PPI and core retail sales and PPI MM and retail sales, unemployment claims and Empire State Manufacturing Index, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and all these at 1:30 p.m. So we see quite a lot of movement, 1:40 p.m. as well. So all this is USD news. So now moving on to the chart, what's happening weekly, as I expected, uh, in weekly there is a bearish candle, liquidity sweep, and this double track candle was clearly showing the market will come down. And now what's happening now? Uh, Market tested this weekly level. It's very interesting. And in daily we can, that's what we expected yesterday. And yesterday's analysis, I did say the market can come up to this level. And now, uh, and this the daily this daily level has been broken, and now 4 hours. See what's happening in 4 hours. Definitely the level 4 hour level has been broken as well. If you go in 15 minutes, which I don't normally use, only for when there's a consolidation, I trade in smaller time frames or just to use for confirmations. But uh, as you can see that market, I did say yesterday that market we are expecting from here, but market didn't go up to there, so we market all reversed from here instead. So we use moving average strategy for this kind of, although for this kind of market structure, because there's no such indication why the market will reverse from. And normally it does this out of block. It should have tested, but it didn't in this case. So what I do, I normally do use moving averages with RSI to take the trade. But now on, what's happening now? You can clearly see that my trend is bearish, and 1 hour. Especially with this big candle here, I would expect the market to break down this way. As I said, the trend is quite bearish. This market is making lower lows. We were expecting this move. Not only this market structure, I do use uh, moving averages as well as my strategy. So in this case, with this sell trade here and sell trade here, the double top. So we have sell trade here and sell trade here as well. This trade could have even could have tested the break even as well. Could have it could have hit the break even. But this one went all the way up this here, and on smaller time frame you can see that it gives us the indication the market probably will break the downside. 15-minute trend, and that's where we can take a trade here at smaller time frame. Let me um, where it is. And now what's happening? In daily, this level has been tested. So we should expect some movement to the upside before we can take another trade. So possibly this area here. This is order block area. However, if the market comes to the upside and reverse from here, we will use our moving average strategy. But if you want to know about my moving average strategy, then you do comment on this video, and I'll explain that to you as well. Okay, so I hope this is useful. Uh, so that's just another move can be. So once the move is done, if the market is want to come down, we can take further move the downside, break this level as onwards to around here daily. This long term swing trade, in fact. So we can see some further levels. That's a good one. Or even you can test this level, but let's see. There's no perfect entry in the market. You have to manage the risk and risk to reward ratio. That's very important. Okay, guys, I hope this is useful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.